Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Dodge Nitro can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So to start, on the driver's side, we're going to remove this bolt on the bottom of the frame rail. We're going to use an 18mm socket. So now our underbody of our vehicle is prepped for our hitch. Let's go ahead and point out our 3 attachment holes on the driver's side frame rail. We have these 3 that we'll be using to attach our hitch, and it's identical on the passenger side. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We will be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is a little heavy. With our hitch lined up, we're ready to bring our hardware into place. Each side comes with 3 bolts, and each bolt has a conical tooth washer. We just want to make sure that the teeth are facing up. With all of our bolts in place on both sides, we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer's specification. We're going to be using a 19mm socket for all those and a 5-inch extension. So with our hitch installed, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 17.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.